Yeah.
Man, I lost my shit. They made that load for like $50. They made that load for $50. I know it.
Man, you good, bro?
Appreciate you, dog.
All good.
Hey.